Welcome along to our Boston adventures, and this time we're trying to go to the Cat Cafe here in Boston, Massachusetts. So we're on Charle Street, and I've honestly never been on this street at all. And entering the cafe, it is super cute, but unfortunately you need a reservation just to see the cats, which really disappointed me. But at least I got something to drink. Nothing beats a nice hot cider. Since that plan totally failed, we're just walking around, and come to find out, we found the Beacon bookstore that was all over Instagram, and it looks so pretty. It's like a mini house, but literally a library. And it's so cool to kind of look through all the old books I used to read, and I love reading. Surprisingly, I came to find that they have a nut factory, and obviously we're gonna try the Dubai chocolate that everybody's raving about, and we're literally gonna try it today. For $20, honestly, it better be good because I will be highly disappointed. So far, it looks like a standard chocolate milk bar. But the moment you bite into it, I promise you, whatever's inside of it, that made that chocolate so addicting. It's like I really wanted to buy another one, but I already know I'm gonna eat the whole box. So tell me, what are some things that you love to do in Boston?